You passed your level 1 exams and now are preparing for level 2 exams. Here are the most important things that you need to take care while you approach for CFA level 2. Now, even though you have the same topics that you had in level 1, you also have the same in level 2, still there are some vital changes that you need to take care while you are approaching to level 2. For example, in level 1, you had questions and the choices. That's it. In level 2, you have vignettes or called as item sets. So there are overall 22 item sets, 11 in each of the session. And the most important thing, unlike level 1, is that here in level 2, the exams are randomly placed. What does it mean? That all the topics might be tested in first part or in second part or perhaps both. But one good thing here is that out of those 22 item sets, the top 20 are scored for your passing. What does it mean? That those two trailing questions where you've scored the lowest, that are not scored. So that perhaps gives you an option that out of 22, the top 20 are scored. This makes your passing chances much higher. So even though the passing rate is higher, you will still require more number of hours than your level 1, and you will require a much deeper understanding of the concepts and a lot of practical knowledge as well. All of this you will get solution when you join our level 2 program. Hi, I'm Kunal Doshi, Chartered Financial Analyst, and have been a trainer for CFA and various other finance programs for the last decade and more. And I've been training CFA for across people from different part of the world. I'm here by launching our level 2 live batch where you can get access to all the details that you require to pass for your exams. Your journey of CFA level 2 begins with me, and till your exam date, we will ensure that you're completely prepared with all confidence for your level 2 exams. Now, what are the resources that you will get when you enroll to a CFA level 2 batch? Number one, you will get access to all the recordings that happens in the class. Second, you will get access to a digital notes, which will be very much helpful, and you're going to study only from that. This note is enough for you to pass your exams. Third, once our batch is completed, we have a special revision batch along with revision notes. This is very essential for you to do the entire syllabus in a nutshell and get exam ready. Fourth, the most important feature is the mocks. After every topic, we have a mock in the class which you'll be attending compulsorily, and along with that, we have a doubt session for those mocks. Plus, once you finish all the topic mocks for all the 10 topics, you have a full mock which will be making you ready for your final exams. Overall, you'll be completing more than 1200 to 1500 questions in the class itself with me. That will give you enough confidence to pass the exam. And fifth, and the last important thing is that you'll have constant support from my end on WhatsApp and various other platforms wherein you can ask me the doubts whenever you want. Basically, I'll be starting the journey of level 2 with you till your exam date. I'm going to be there with you to ensure that you pass your level 2 exams with flying colors. Now, if you're still not sure whether you should join the program or not, I request you to check out our YouTube channel where there are more than 1 million views and more than 100,000 of hours of content being watched. Second, you can also go to our website and see the reviews of the students about the program. All this said and done, you are always welcome to ask me any queries. And if you still need more information, you can log on to the below details, click on the link below, and I welcome you to the program as soon as possible. Let's begin this journey of level 2 with an amazing understanding of such a beautiful concept, and I'm waiting for you to join as soon as possible. Thank you so much. All the best for your curriculum and have a great day.